Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Blue Wallet application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, from your device, go ahead and open up the App Store. And once you open it up, you can just tap on the search button and then type in Blue Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Blue Wallet application, just tap on it and you will see the Get button. You can tap on this Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Blue Wallet application on your iOS device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is done and you will then see the Open button, which means you can now tap on this button in order to open up the application. Now, once the application is opened up, you will see the Add Now button as well as the plus icon, which you can use in order to sign up and create a new wallet or log into your existing one to start using it on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Blue Wallet application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.